I'd been in business for myself for about 5 years, and I really knew that it was time to take my business to the next level and work on it, redo my own website. And I wanted her incredible insight. I wanted to figure out how to tap into my own superpowers and voice when it came to marketing to really boost my confidence. And I knew that if I was going to grow it all, I needed to take this next step and invest this time and energy with her. Everyone who has a business should work with Abigail Rebecca. They should learn about their human design. Abby helped me realize that I could be saying so much more and I could be so much more myself. And that actually was going to help me connect to other people and help me serve them better. And I was always kind of afraid that doing this, being loud, being bold, taking the role of the expert would make me seem self-absorbed. And she really helped me flip the script on that and step into myself when it comes to marketing and talking about what I do, and just realizing the full scope of what I offer and how special and unique it is. I saw how she showed up was with such confidence. It was like a calm, soft power. And I knew I wanted that. So it was amazing to learn about my human design, but then to turn around and directly apply what I was learning to my business was just a whole nother layer. And I feel like I could not have accomplished what I did in our time together had I not learned about myself and unlocked these new layers. I did a complete rebrand. I launched a new website with multiple sales pages, services, a shop. I did Instagram challenge and completely revitalized my social media account. I'm thinking big picture now. Before I worked with Abby, I didn't believe there was enough time. And now I'm seeing how investing in myself actually creates more time because I am more efficient. I know what I want. I'm really excited about it. And so I have more energy and things just get done in a different way. And before I'd be like, oh, I'll redo my website one day. Oh, I should do workshops and courses. Yeah, I should do that. And now I'm doing it. It's time to get serious about what you're here to do and who you're here to help. And to get serious, you have to take yourself seriously. And part of taking yourself seriously isn't just building a new website, employing a new marketing strategy. It's really getting to the root of who you are, who you're meant to help, how you're meant to help them, how you best communicate, how you best work with others. And human design and sessions with Abby are really going to allow you to hone in on those special, unique gifts that only you have so that you can deliver what only you can deliver.